Hi, my name is Omedee Victor Lubomoye. I'm a digital marketing professional and also a transformation coach. I help people make money online. I'm super excited that you are here because this is where everything starts. If you don't have clarity, you will post aimlessly, get little engagement, and will waste time. I'm sure you don't want to waste your time. Now, this week, we're laying a strong foundation that will help shape your content, your voice, and also your future income. So, today we're going to be looking at identifying your niche, your ideal audience, and also your brand goals. First, what is a niche? A niche is a specific topic or area of focus. It's your zone of impact. Now, why does a niche matter? The importance of a niche is that it helps you to attract the right audience. It also makes content creation easier and it also helps build your authority faster, which prepares you for monetization. Now, a niche is not just to talk about everything, it is focused. Now, for example, instead of make money online, say I help stay at home moms make their first $500 online through freelancing. You see, it's very, very specific. When people that are your target audience see this, they will be interested in whatever it is that you have to offer. Another example is instead of weight loss, you say, I help busy women lose belly fat without giving up your favorite foods. Like that is really, really, really specific. So you might be wondering, how do I choose my niche? Now, these are the questions that you need to ask yourself. What problem can I solve based on my knowledge or experience? What topic do I enjoy talking about or researching? Who do I want to help the most? It has to be specific and not to everybody. Now, here's a niche formula that you can use. I help target audience achieve specific result through your method or knowledge. Let me give you an example. I help beginner content creators grow their personal brand and attract income opportunities through consistent content. This approach will help you to create something that is really specific, hyper specific to the people that you want to reach. So let me give you a mini exercise. Now grab a pen and a paper or a notepad and answer these questions. What are the three things I know how to do well or have experience in? What type of people ask me for advice? What's one problem I would love to help people solve? What do I want to be known for online? Now write your niche statement using this formula. Now we want to look at identifying your brand identity. But before we talk about your brand identity, let's talk about what a personal brand is. Your personal brand is how you want people to see, feel, or remember you online. It's more than just your logos or your colors. It's the vibe, the voice, the values, and the message that you're consistently sharing. Think about your brand as your online personality, what you stand for, how you show up, and what people expect from your content. Here are elements of a strong personal brand. A strong personal brand is clear. Who are you? What do you offer? And who do you help? Consistency. You're showing up regularly with clear message and a style. Connection, creating content that speaks directly to your ideal audience. So, this is an example of a personal brand. If your niche is helping moms to start side hustle, your personal brand might feel like warm and friendly, focused on family, faith, and freedom. Content includes stories, encouragement, and also practical money tips. Now, a quick tip is that you choose three words that describe the energy you want people to feel when they come across your content. For example, is it inspiring? Is it relatable? Is it action oriented? Once your niche is clear, polish your profile and your brand setup. Update the following: your profile picture, a clear, friendly, and intentional profile picture, your name and username. Use a name or something very simple or something that portrays what you do or your brand. Your bio, include who you help plus how you help them. Now, there should be a pin post. Introduce yourself and let people know what to expect from your content. Now, example bio could be: help beginners make money online through content creation. Join the 90 days challenge. I'm still going to go further into how to set up your bio and with using tools like ChatGPT or maybe any other AI like DeepSeek to help you set up your bio. AI has made it very easy for us to set up bios that we do not have to crack our head to set up bios anymore again. The next thing that you want to do is to set up your 90-day goal. What do you want to achieve by the end of this challenge? Now, here are some examples: build a consistent content routine, grow to 1,000 engaged followers, become confident creating video content, get visible enough to prepare for monetization. Write this down, this will keep you focused. I'm going to highlight some of the common mistakes that you need to avoid. Now, don't fall into these traps. Choosing a niche because it is trending. If you choose a niche because it is trending, in the long run, you may not be able to create consistent content in this niche, especially if it's something that you do not have interest in. And what if it stops trending? What are you going to do about it? The next is being too broad or trying to speak to everybody. In marketing, in the business world, you're not trying to speak to everybody. You should have one ideal customer that you're trying to speak to. Yes, it doesn't mean that every other person can buy from you. No, it doesn't mean that. But that person you're trying to speak to is more likely to buy or come in contact with your page and watch whatever it is you're doing. But if you're speaking to everybody, it will take you a lot of time to convince them to stick with you. And the next thing that you should avoid is having a bio that says nothing about what you have to offer. You need to work on your bio to ensure that it's very specific on what you offer. And lastly, waiting for the perfect moment or perfect time before you start posting. There is no perfect time. There is no perfect time at all. I'm going to repeat that again. There is no perfect time. You just need to post, even in the mess, even when it seems like it's not working out well. You just need to make that post and keep posting. I'm going to leave you with this action point. Now, this week, you must complete these four things. Write down your niche statement using the formula: I help the person achieve the result through the method. Use that formula. Optimize your profile picture, your bio, your cover image, pin post, or an introduction. Then also set a 90 days goal and keep it visible so that it will keep pushing you to keep working. And also, you're going to be posting in the group. Now, you're going to share your niche statement in the group. You're going to share a screenshot of your profile, your uploaded profile, updated profile, and also you're going to engage with others doing the same. Type done when you're completed with this task, and I will see you again next week.